Quit overthinking and being anxious always. Trust the Almighty to be your guide. There's nothing like finding peace and rest from all your troubles in Him. Your problems may still be present, but when you learn to trust Him, peace will reign in your heart. Seek comfort in Him alone. Don't give up on others because the Almighty never gives up on us. You can't control people, making them do what's right. You can only show the way. Guidance comes from the Almighty. So don't be frustrated. Do your best and let Him take care of the rest. He guides whom He wills. Always choose love, kindness and forgiveness. Always choose to walk the high ground. Never mind what others say. Never mind what rumors they choose to spread about you. Never lose your cool and composure. Never tire of doing good. The Almighty loves such consistent acts. People are quick to criticize. Always thank your critics. Even if he is harsh and rude, thank him. He might have been having a bad day, or maybe he's just a negative person in general. Take criticism positively. It's a good thing for you anyway, a means of keeping yourself humble. Almighty, we seek your forgiveness, especially on this blessed day as we are sinners and have committed many sins. Only you can forgive all of them. May we always turn to you for strength to forgive others as well. Shower us with your mercy which we so desperately need. Ameen. It's not always what you say that matters. Knowing what not to say is equally important. Don't feel like you have to respond to everyone and take part in every discussion and argument thrown your way. Often, the best response in many situations is simply to remain silent. Peace. It's natural to feel sad. It's part of being human. No matter how bad the situation, even if the suffering feels endless, there's light at the end of the tunnel. The Almighty has promised us. He won't burden us beyond our capacity. He will give us the strength that we need. Don't become obsessed with social media. When the number of likes and followers is your main focus, when your values and morals are compromised, or when you barely spend time with family or your Maker, then it's time to change. Slow down and ponder. The successful prioritize correctly. Many chase money, wealth, status, etc. in life. But never have they found true contentment and peace of mind from any of that. Because the hearts are attached to the wrong thing. If you want a heart that's content, develop a relationship with your Maker. Your soul will be at ease. Don't hate or begrudge someone who ignores you. If it makes them happy, so be it. Don't let the behavior of someone else affect you. You can't change people. But you can go where you are appreciated. Remember, life has a way of dishing out to others what they dish out to you.